everyone, welcome back to another tea time video. If you're new here, I'm Chanel, aka No Mediocre 876, and on this channel I do health, travel, food and lifestyle videos. In today's video, we'll be talking about a special leaf, a leaf called guava leaf. Now, for some of you who are not familiar with guava, this is actually how it looks. When you cut inside of the guava, this is how it looks. This one is a bit green, but this is the inside of it. Now, a lot of people, they enjoy eating the fruit. Yes, they use it to make jam, juice, etc. But a lot of people I know isn't aware that the leaf has a lot of health benefits and can be used to make a tea. So in today's video, we're going to be using the leaf of the guava plant to make a tea and discuss all the health benefits or some of the known health benefits. And if I do leave out any of the benefits which you know how of, let me know in the comment section. So guess what? We're not going to waste any time. We're going to make this tea right now. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, hit that subscribe button right down below. Turn on your post notification bell. And if you do find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and of course, leave a comment. Let's get right into making this tea. Guava has been hailed as one of the superfruits as it provides several health benefits. It is extraordinarily rich in vitamin C, lycopene, and antioxidants that are beneficial for the skin. The potassium in guavas help normalize blood pressure levels. Since it contains about 80% of water and it's rich in fibers, it also aids in weight loss. But did you know that guava leaves, scientifically known as Psyllium guajava, are great for your well-being too? The leaves of the guava tree can be brewed to make a magical tea. Such magical tea has in fact been a part of traditional medicine for centuries in Mexico and parts of South America. These leaves are a powerhouse of antioxidants like vitamin C and flavonoids. Now let's jump right into the benefits that you and I both can get from consuming guava leaf tea. Number 1, aids with diarrhea. According to a study, guava leaf extracts inhibit the growth of Staphylococcus aureus bacteria, which is a common cause of diarrhea. People suffering from diarrhea who drink guava leaf tea may experience less abdominal pain, fewer and less watery stools, and a quicker recovery. For a quick relief, add the leaves and root of the guava to a cup of boiling water. Strain the water and consume it on an empty stomach. Number 2, lowers cholesterol. LDL or low-density lipoprotein are one of the 5 major groups of lipoproteins which transport all fat molecules throughout your body. It is the excess of this class of cholesterol that may cause a host of health disorders, particularly that of the heart. According to an article published in Nutrition and Metabolism, study participants who drank guava leaf tea had lower cholesterol levels after 8 weeks. Number 3, manages diabetes. Japan has approved guava leaf tea as one of the foods for specified health uses to help with the prevention and treatment of diabetes. The compounds in the tea help regulate blood sugar levels after meals by inhibiting the absorption of 2 types of sugars, namely sucrose and maltose. According to an article published in Nutrition and Metabolism, guava leaf tea inhibits several different enzymes that convert carbohydrates in the digestive tract into glucose, potentially slowing its uptake into your blood. Number 4, promotes weight loss. Looking to shed that extra inches around your belly? Well, sip into guava leaf tea. Guava leaves help prevent complex carbs from turning into sugars, promoting rapid weight loss. Drink guava leaf tea or juice regularly to reap the benefits. Number 5, fights cancer. Guava leaves can lower the risk of cancer, especially breast, prostate, and oral cancers, due to the high quantities of the antioxidant lycopene. Various studies have revealed that lycopene plays a significant role in lowering the risk of cancer. Number 6, heals cold and cough. Guava leaves contain high levels of vitamin C and iron, and the decoction of guava leaves is very helpful in relieving cough and cold, as it helps get rid of mucus. It also disinfects the respiratory tract, throat, and lungs. Number 7, reduces acne. Due to their high percentage of vitamin C, guava leaves can help get rid of acne when crushed and applied to troubled areas. Number 8, improves skin texture. Guavas have high astringent properties, and guava leaves rank even higher. Apply a decoction of the leaves on your skin to help tone and tighten facial muscles. Number 9, prevents hair loss. Guava leaves can be boiled and massaged into the scalp. Guava is rich in antioxidants that could do wonders for the volume of hair. Note, make sure that the water is cool before applying it to the scalp. Number 10, improves quality of sleep. Drinking guava leaf tea regularly helps improve the quality of sleep. It calms your nerves and quietens your mind, making it easier to slip into slumber. And just like that, our guava leaf tea is ready to be served. By the way, guys, this is my first time using this teapot and I absolutely love it. If you've been watching all my tea time videos, you've probably seen where every time where I'm through making my tea, I would use a strainer. However, with this teapot, it is so easy to use because all I need to do is to put my herbs in the container, which is perforated, and I don't need to use a strainer. I love it so much. If you are interested in this product, I'll leave the link in the description below so you too can purchase it. Anyway, let's pour our first cup of tea. There you go. Now you can add sweetener if you'd like. However, I won't be using any sweetener. All right, so let's take the first sip of our guava leaf tea. Cheers to all the benefits that you and I will get from consuming guava leaf tea. It's a bit hot, so let's sip. Tasty tea, guys, no complaints whatsoever, and I'm sure, as I said, you can enhance the taste by adding sweetener to it. So cheers, and remember guys, your health is your wealth. Let me know in the comment section if you've had guava leaf tea before, or if you're planning on making guava leaf tea based on the benefits which we've discussed in this video. Until next time, guys, I vow to never be mediocre. You should also vow to never be mediocre.